Last night, someone in your house didn't sleep, because someone else sounded like a broken motorcycle. Open mouth smile. Ever wondered why people snore in their sleep? Here's the funny truth. When we sleep, our body relaxes, and yes, even our throat muscles go into lazy mode. When air tries to pass through that narrow, relaxed throat, it vibrates, and boom. Snoring concert begins. It's like blowing air through a loose balloon. Sometimes it's because of sleeping on the back, sometimes a blocked nose, weight gain, or even just being too tired. Ever noticed how snoring gets louder after a long, exhausting day? That's no coincidence. The deeper the sleep, the louder the sound effects. And the most shocking part? The snorer is enjoying the best sleep of their life while others are planning their escape. Cold sweat smile. So next time someone snores, don't get angry, their body is just asking for better breathing space. Funny, annoying, but completely human. Like it, share it, subscribe now and comment, snore mode on, if this felt real.